Hi, I'm super excited to let you know we are doing our first virtual live workshop. It's coming on October 21st. It's 11 Pacific time, New Mountain time, 1 p.m. Central time, and 2 p.m. Eastern time. And it's for all of you who want to learn more about the Light Life tools. You are either new or you know a little, or you have already tools and you forgot how to use them. And I want you to know, remember, refresh your memory, because our amazing Light Life tools want to be used. That's why we created them. Okay, so save the date, register early, we have limited space, and I can't wait to see you live. And you will have at the end of the workshop time to get your questions answered, and it's going to be fun. So please come and learn all about our amazing tools.